Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your online presence with Buffer step by step clearly. Begin by creating a Buffer account if you don't already have one. Visit the Buffer website and click on the Get Started button. Enter your email address and choose a password to register. Verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the Buffer dashboard. Connect your social media accounts by clicking on the Manage Social Accounts option. Select the platforms you want to link, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or LinkedIn. Authorize Buffer to access your accounts by following the prompts. Now, set your posting schedule for each connected account. Navigate to the Publishing section and click on Posting Schedule. Choose the days and times you want your content to be shared automatically. Next, create shareable content to maintain a consistent online presence. Go to the Content section and click on Buffer. Type or paste your content into the text box provided. Add relevant links, images, or videos to enhance your posts. Use hashtags strategically to reach a wider audience. Schedule your post by selecting the Add to Queue button. Monitor your performance using Buffer's analytics tools. Access the Analytics section to review engagement metrics. Identify which posts perform best to refine your strategy. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages promptly. Regularly review and update your content strategy based on analytics insights. Consider using Buffer's browser extension for seamless content sharing from anywhere online. Utilize Buffer's hashtag suggestions for optimal visibility. Stay consistent with your posting schedule to build a loyal audience. Periodically reassess your social media accounts for any updates or changes in settings. Adopt good security practices by enabling two-factor authentication on your accounts. Regularly update your passwords for added protection. With Buffer, you can efficiently manage your online presence and engage effectively with your audience. Keep your content fresh and relevant to maintain interest and relevance in your niche. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.